So we can go through these different animations to see how the nets and the three-dimensional surfaces, those three-dimensional objects, can relate to each other. So here we have a rectangular prism, and we can adjust this if we like for, width, height. You can change the values of these. But here we have our net. Okay, we have our net here, and we can unfold this net looking like this, and it'll fold back into this prism. And as we change, our parameters, we can see how the net and the volumes changes. And we can unwrap the net, okay, and see how it folds back up. So I want you guys to make sure that you go through these different solids and see how the nets can unwrap into these two-dimensional surfaces. Okay, so that would be for the prism, rectangular prism. Here we have a triangular prism, and we can rotate this around and see how this looks. Okay, we can see the different perspectives of it, and we can unfold that net as well. And we can do that from different perspectives as well. So we can kind of rotate that around and see there's a kind of a cube there that gives us some perspective, and we can unfold that into its two-dimensional surfaces. For a cylinder, okay, here the cylinder, we can adjust the cylinder, but we can also unwrap that net and see the surfaces that make up that cylinder. And the formula for that cylinder, the surface area of that cylinder, will show up here. For the pyramid, pyramids are objects that come to a point. Okay, we can change the size of this pyramid, the height of this pyramid. We can then unfold the net to see what this net looks like. Okay, so that's the two-dimensional surface that make up the outside surface of that pyramid. And if you like, you can work the formula out. The formula for this, really, we should just look at the areas of each of the parts of this pyramid, the four triangles and the base of that pyramid.